Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. Today my wife is going to teach us how to cook one of the Swahili foods, that is chapati. Say hi, what are you going to cook for us?
Hi, so I'm going to cook a Swahili dish. Your favorite Swahili dish is chapati.
Mine?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's chapati and beans. So, what we need right now is just, we already have our beans here. So I bought it to the market and we're boiling it in the cooker. So it has done for 40 minutes. I need to run it again for the next 40. And then there are specific beans that the coastal people love. They call it surambaya in the coast. Yeah. So these these ones, they look like white. There are different types. These they call this one white, and then there's a red one. Yeah, so these are the specific beans that the coastal people love. They call it surambaya. So in Nairobi, we used to call it mitamania. And I'm not so sure about that culture because I haven't interacted with them. So now these are the beans. So we just need to boil them in salt, and then later we're going to fry it in coconut oil and no other spices. So the stew will make it a little bit thick.
Coconut oil or cream?
Coconut cream, yeah. So the coast people prefer you have your whole coconut, you grind it, or you kuna, they call it kuna, they're easy. You grind it, and then now you use the cream itself, pure from just the coconut plant or the nut itself. You grind, then you use the.
What about the chapati?
So for the chapatis, just using, filling with the, I'm not sure from what any brand. So this is the wheat flour. So filling with the brand that you love. You can get fortified all-purpose, or some people use atta, which is the brown flour. But for us, we're going to use the white flour. So you just need the wheat, warm water, a bit of salt and sugar, and then now we mix the dough and we make our chapati. Yeah.
Okay.
enough, you just take your warm water, add a bit of salt and sugar, and now mix as you add the flour. But with this one, we're not going to add salt. Okay. So now this is the flour that we're going to be using to make sure that we don't have a too soft or too hard dough. This is how the consistency is. So you want to make it a little bit more softer. So you add oil. Yeah. Oops. You add oil. Just like a little bit. That is ready. Now to go to the next step, so I'll prepare the flour that I made for the whole process and put the rest.
Where do you put the pepper?
So you're putting the pepper to absorb what is it? Oil. So that yeah, you don't eat oily chapatis. Now the reason I'm putting here is so that the moisture will be coming out as well. You don't want to use the normal hot pan. Is it hot? Hot dish or hot pan? Yeah. So I put it. Our 10 chapatis. Remember I told you that once you master the art, you can easily just use your eyes and know these are 10 chapatis or 5. So as you see, they look like 10. So here they are exactly 10 chapatis. So we're going to go to the next process of frying the chapatis now. Now for you to make a round chapati, just put the flour down and then your dough press continuously so that you're not putting pressure down, you're pressing continuously. Yeah, and then at that point you soften your arms like they're not hard, so they're just like rolling. And just there you come up with a round chapati of your preferred size. If you want a bigger one, you go for it, you continue rolling. If you want medium size, you continue rolling. Personally, our pan is not that big. If it were big, then you'd continue rolling. But since our pan is not that big, so this might be our preferred final size. So